red high, I think it's. I don't be fine. It ain't no. It's a brand that's up there that I like, but it ain't main. Well, it might be mainstream, but not as mainstream as Louisiana. Cause sometimes I be going to some stores and I don't be seeing it in there. My boy X Hood 61 say he sent a small donation through the PayPal. I sure appreciate it, man. I'm gonna come through with that live view service in a minute, man. We're gonna have a good steady stream one day, man. I'm gonna have it on there. Anybody want to see the rednecks with paychecks uncensored? Y'all let me know. It don't cost that much. I'm just trying to come up one time for the one time. Let me see. P Perps can fish. Oh, okay. Look out what you do, like the best crab leg or lobster. I like crab legs, man, because I'm like professional at busting them open, man. I get to the meat so quick. But now I like crab leg meat better, man. Look out, y'all. Hey, crab legs or lobster? Crab legs or lobster? Which one? Both? Oh, he on both, man. With some steak? With some steak? Oh, he know what he doing, y'all. Y'all gotta watch him. I got a badass Yello Belly shirt coming out, man. I don't even want to tell nobody about it. I think they gonna steal it, but it's coming. Everything take a long time for me. I be having all these ideas. I can't move on them at one time, man. They be like, get this, get that, go do this, go do that, edit this, put this up, do TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, thumbnails, description, hashtag. Open up a store, sell a shirt, make a new shirt, bring the shirt. I can't keep up. I be just telling the truth. I can't. You gotta expect me to forget something. I'm gonna forget something. I told y'all something bad happened every time I stream. I don't know what. I just know a problem coming as I go live. I don't know what the problem is, but it's coming. Blue crabs are the best. I don't actually think I just had a blue crab leg. All mine been orange, man.
Dave has a question. Who wants to get shot in the face with a t-shirt can?
Damn. They say crab legs at the Daiquiri shop by GM in Arlington is the best out there. I forgot who was making me, you know who was making? The boiling crab, boy. Say, I went to the boiling, that's who got the best crab legs over there in North Dallas. Boiling crab, and they got some, man, it be fresh, you know, when you bust it open and make that crack, that's how you know it's good, man. It be fresh. Yeah, they talking about who want to get shot in the face with the t-shirt thing. I guess they gonna shoot somebody. Right in the face with the t-shirt. But yeah, I like it when them crab legs be crispy, man. Some of these places that be selling crab legs, when you bend the crab leg, it bend. Just be flimsy. I don't like them flimsy. Like they didn't try to, they cooked it one time. Oh, shit. Oh, I got a misfire with it.
We got a misfire here on the starting line. Well, we can't say that in the mic.
Check the. Let me see. My wife like garlic crabs, little pieces of meat. I start see that. He picturing little pieces of meat, man. A person that say little pieces of meat get you about 2 pounds. Well, I'm a 2 pound. 2 pounds would be all right for me. So you sound like you kind of greedy. So get you about 3 pounds, and then you got to know how to bust it open. You gotta know how to bust it open. Then the other secret ingredient, you gotta have that you gotta have what's that called? Some lemon and butter. Get you a little cup about that big. Oh damn, that's a real gun. That bitch start shooting. You better not shoot nobody in the face with that. That thing got some power. That thing went over the. Okay.
One heavy grab. Nice.
Yeah, man. So you gotta get you some lemon and some butter, man. But you gotta make the perfect mix. Dang, look how high that thing going. Ketchup. Down here in Miami, we also do fried crab legs. I don't know if I ain't never had that. I use butter for snow crab. The other ones I like snow crabs. I don't really cut for the king crab too much, all them spikes. Joe's got some barbecue crab legs. I don't know nothing about that. Boosted GT Wild. I use butter for snow crab.
Nice catch. Someone got a souvenir cone.
Dang, look how high that shirt going, man. Boy, that's a good gun. How did Justin Swanson do? I think he had the buy run. I don't like mustard that much. Oh, okay, he throwing frisbees right here. Man, he done went over. Oh, right here. Right here. Oh, right here. God dang. I got too much zoom on. They fry the meat like a chicken. Oh, shit. God damn. That was a good one. That was a good catch. Hey, one more. Yeah, hit that lady in the head, man. Come on with it. Oh, come on with it. He ain't gonna. Oh, come on with it. Oh, damn. I'm trying to win him one. Oh, it's coming back. Oh. Man, these frisbees is dangerous for these old people. They can't catch no more. Let me go down here with the action. Let me catch some action, man. He look like he know how to throw it. Ain't no